the AiTRON series, a next-generation rugged HMI solution purpose-built for the AIoT era and engineered to drive innovation in smart manufacturing. It also excels in outdoor applications, delivering reliable and intuitive operations wherever you need it. With a narrow bezel design, powered by advanced sunlight-readable technology, the display delivers exceptional clarity, even in bright outdoor environments. 7H surface glass delivers superior scratch resistance and durability for demanding environments. The multi-touch screen offers smooth and intuitive operation, operating across wide temperature ranges, and front IP66 protection against water and dust. Modular design supports multiple platforms, as well as great thermal for fanless. User-friendly design enables effortless maintenance and makes upgrades faster and more efficient. I/O expandable and rich internet connectivity. Various mounting configurations to meet diverse installation needs. Built for the future of industry, the AiTRON series combines cutting-edge features and rugged design, making it the ideal choice for AIoT smart manufacturing and a wide range of outdoor applications. Smart Industry Enabler, APLEX technology.